What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos. And today we have Ariana, my niece. You gonna say hi?
Hello.
She has been asking me to film a video with me. I don't usually like the idea of filming with children just because of predators and such, but she keeps asking me and her mom said it was fine, so here we are. So you want to put some very bright makeup on today, huh?
Yeah.
She's picked out a few palettes that she wants to use. She has the Neon Obsessions palette, the pink one from Huda, the Natasha Denona Pastel palette, also very bright, and some ColourPop singles that I have that look like this. So very bright, very glittery. We're gonna jump into it. You're gonna have to take your glasses off, girlfriend. So which color do you want to use the most? That pink glitter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless I want to use that and maybe put a little purple on top.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna start with this though. So I'm starting with the Huda one in this shade. She wants to use this pink glitter in this purple one, but we can't just go right in with that, so we're gonna just start with something a little bit less. Careful. Alright, now I'm going to take some of the purple that she wanted in the outer V. Let's do the other side. I think we can zoom in a little bit on the camera. So let me zoom in on the hair, see if it looks okay. There we go. You can't see me too well, but you can see what I'm doing to her face. Don't squint, just close them gently. There you go. Okay. Gonna take, I think this one from the Huda palette and put it on her lid to give that other glitter more of a base. And then we'll take this one glitter that she really wants.
Yeah.
And tap. Actually, excuse me, I need to get in that drawer. I'm gonna put some glitter primer on just to kind of help a little bit. Don't close too hard because it'll get stuck in the cracks, like your creases. Alright, I need to blend the
My
base.
favorite color is pink.
Is it? I believe that. I guess I'm gonna wipe this on my hand. And I need to kind of blend up some of these glitter chunks away. Can you open your eyes and look up? Look. There you go. It's not coming away. We're gonna take this brush. I might just have to get him with my finger. Let me get a wipe.
Okay.
Don't peek.
I think Kyla's silly. Oh my gosh. She's my auntie right there. That's my auntie. Wait. I'm still closing my eyes.
Okay.
Maybe when you edit the video, I want to watch it.
Okay. We can do it after we come home later.
Alright.
Do you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
Oh, sure. I like mac and cheese.
Okay.
I like Lucky Charms.
Mm-hmm.
And
You had Lucky Charms for breakfast.
yeah, and my favorite dog is I like a Chihuahua.
My chihuahuas.
Yeah, they're cute. Can I tell them what my dog picks? My two dogs' name is?
If you want to.
My first dog, her name is Mozzie. My second dog, she's only 3 months old. Her name is Pixie. And I have 3 cats at home. One's name is Fatso, because he's really fat. And then another cat, his name is Holly. And then another cat named Stormy. And and I really love makeup.
Yeah.
And like at home, sometimes my friends come over on the weekends or like, winter breaks.
Mm-hmm.
And like
Can you look towards me? You can close them.
and like I also love spending time with you and Mommy.
Yeah. Do you want to put mascara on? It's the eyelash part.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Do I have to close my eyes?
No.
And
Keep them open, okay? We're just going to do a little bit because it can look like a lot. I know, it's scary. Now I got to do the other side. Alrighty.
And my favorite part about your house, I'm not gonna lie, is the makeup room.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean, because the Harry Potter lights up there.
Yes, I do have those lights, huh?
The candles. Can you show them?
They've seen in my vlogs. Alright, you ready for blush?
Yeah.
She picked out this Too Faced blush. It's very bright.
Told you I like pink.
Yeah, I know you like pink.
And I'll say my favorite part about your makeup room is the camera.
The camera?
Yeah.
Why am I not surprised?
Well, I've never been in a video before.
I know.
And this is my first time, like, being in a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you know Auntie has a secret stash in her makeup room of chips?
Yeah. A bag of chips.
Yeah.
And it's not even a full bag.
You have candies in the kitchen.
I do have candies in the kitchen and a candy bowl. Alright, now we're going to put your lips lipstick on. She picked out this ColourPop lipstick. Very bright.
Very
It's
Swedish.
in the shade The Rabbit. Hopefully it's not dried out. I haven't used it in a long time. It might be.
Last night I watched one of Auntie's makeup videos, and one of them was so funny because of Dalton. Like,
Ready?
and she's also my auntie.
I am your auntie. That's what makes you my niece.
Yeah, because Grammy is your mom.
Mm-hmm. Grammy is my mom. Alrighty. You ready to see?
Yeah.
Let me see. If you grab that mirror down there, you can take a look.
Wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I'm going to zoom them out so they can see us both then.
It's so pretty.
You like all the glitter? Yeah.
Here, I want to,
You want to keep talking? Okay. You can keep talking.
Let's see. Here, hold on, I'll be right back.
You can if you want to.
Where did Dalton go?
He's in his room.
Okay. Talk to them.
What am I going to say? They know me. She's trying to get Dalton to come be in the video, and he's telling her no.
He said no.
Yeah, I figured.
So they don't know me yet.
You just talk to them. We gotta go soon, ma'am. We need to go to the store.
Well,
Well,
can we take them in the store?
no, we're not taking them in the store.
What if? Like, my favorite part.
What was your favorite part of your makeup? The glitter? I'm not surprised.
Well, because girls love glitter.
Do they? Not all girls love glitter.
Yeah, Jaden, if he gets like one little dot of glitter on him, he will just scream. He doesn't like glitter.
Goodness.
Jaden is my brother.
Maybe we can talk Dalton into going to the makeup store later. You might have to ask him. I don't think he'll tell me yes.
Okay, well.
You gonna say bye so we can go to the store? Or you have one more thing you gotta tell him?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I have 3 brothers.
Mm-hmm.
One, his name is Zane. Another one is named...
Zane's gonna be so happy you said his name in this video.
Yeah, my brother is Zane. He is the greatest brother ever.
Ooh, don't tell Charlie and Jaden.
And, I have another brother named Charlie. He's, 15.
Yeah.
And I have another brother named Jaden. He's 14. But Zane is 9. And if Zane ever watches this video, he'll be very happy I said his name.
Yes, he will. He's gonna watch it and he will be happy.
Yeah, and I have one great mom named Katie, and have another great dad named Joe.
Okay. You ready to say bye?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Ariana will not be here next time, but I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out the door. Okay, bye.
Bye.